Hello friends, my name is Vikram. I'm going to do the unboxing of GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is a bundle, and this is a New Zealand edition one. This one comes with a GoPro Hero 7 Black plus a 30-liter dry bag, which is a great buy. That bag is worth $100, so the entire thing cost me around about $550. This was a special edition. So let's get to the unboxing of this. Well guys, I managed to open the box itself and it was quite tricky. Now this is the GoPro 7 Hero Black, and this is the GoPro bag which came with it. This one is like a carry bag where you can put a strap to the waist and for your shoulder strap, so you can always carry it like this on the back. And it's a quite nice waterproof bag. I don't think any water can go inside at all. That's why they call it a dry bag. This is a 30-liter bag. Look at the size of it. It's quite big. So this is a quite nice addition to it. And then this is our GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you can see, there is a blue tape over here. That means this pack hasn't been opened. This is a factory sealed pack. So let's open it and see where we're heading. Oh wow, easy to open. Alright guys, that's a pretty nice, awesome packing they got over here. Definitely can keep it as a collection. Alright guys, so this is the actual GoPro Hero 7 Black. There must be an instruction guide over here. These are the instruction guide. What else it comes with? It comes with a few of adhesive mounts, a charging cable, a spare battery, and another adhesive mount. And that's about it. So guys, so now I figured it out. There's a rubber over here which is blocking for it to be pressed, so you just lift it up like this and then press on the bottom and push it in the facing toward the lens side, and that's how you remove it. That's a good thing to know. Plus, do not throw this one. This one can act as a tripod as well. So if you want to take this with you somewhere, you can just use it as that as well, or just get a tripod, which is really nice. So guys, this is our GoPro Hero 7 Black. And now let's see how to open it. It's like something like this. So it has got an arrow over here which is telling us to pull it up and then pull it behind, and that's how you can take it out of its housing. So it will open up like this. Then you need to just push it gently, and that's how you take it out of your housing. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and always make sure you have a nice clean cloth with it. I also bought a little bit of screen protector for both the lens and the back side, and I also got myself a cap for protecting the lens even more. So guys, this was the unboxing of this, and oh, forgot to mention, we also got 2 stickers from GoPro. So if you want to put it on your computer or anywhere, you can do that. So it comes with 1 wire, 2 adhesive mounts, a natural bond stand, a GoPro 7 itself, and few manuals and additional battery. But my recommendation is always go ahead and plan for more, because I have already got myself a dual charger with a spare battery and plus additional spare battery. So I got 3 batteries. It's always good enough to have 3 batteries just in case you're one. It depends on your usage as well. I just wanted to be safe, so I got 2 additional batteries and dual charger. So one can be charged on the GoPro 7 itself, and the second one can be charged on the charger itself. Hope you like my videos. So please share and subscribe and like the video. If you have any question, please do ask. I will respond to it within minutes. Thank you. Enjoy.